severe thunderstorm! No way!
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central St. Clair County until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Odenville and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pell City, Moody, Springville, Odenville, Margaret, Riverside, Bald Rock, Logan Martin Lake, Branchville, St. Clair County Airport, Wattsville, Chula Vista, and Cropwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: St. Clair, Alabama.
Wow.
The severe thunderstorm